Hello and welcome back to my channel. So if you're a potato lover, then you're going to love this recipe that I tried. This is called Jhuri aloo bhaja, or you can call it potato mixture or potato fry. It's super crunchy and delicious. The ingredients list to this dish is given in the description box below. So let's begin. So cutting the potatoes is a very major and crucial part of this recipe. So I've cut the potatoes into thin slices like this. Now depending on the size of the slice, I'm going to cut it again and then make matchsticks out of it. So the matchsticks have to be really thin for this recipe to work. So make sure your potato slices are thin and then you cut it further down into very thin matchstick like juliennes. So you can see this has come out this thin. So we'll cut the rest of the potato also into the same fashion. So once the potatoes have all been cut, I've put it into some water. We're going to soak this for 10 to 20 minutes so that the starch gets removed. After 20 minutes, we'll wash and clean this and get to the next process. So the next process is to take a napkin or a towel into which we are going to add the potatoes. I've already washed the potatoes and then I'm going to drop it into the napkin like this. Bring all the edges of the napkin together. Now we'll squeeze out maximum water out of this in this fashion. Press it really tightly so that all the water comes out. Once I've squeezed out all the water, I've taken the potatoes in a plate. I've spread it out so that they can dry a little. Now in a pan, I've heated some oil. I'm going to add some curry leaves to this. We're going to fry the curry leaves until they're nice and crispy. Then we'll remove it into a paper towel. Once the curry leaves are done, I've added some peanuts to the same oil. Now we're going to fry the peanuts until they are golden brown in color and then again remove it into a paper towel and start the next process. So the peanuts have also been done and removed. Now we're going to add the potatoes which we have cut into matchsticks into the pan. Spread it out nicely. Now the flame is kept at medium high right now. You have to be very careful of the temperature, otherwise the potatoes will burn. So we'll cook the potatoes until they're nice and crispy, making sure we just saute it lightly in between so that they don't catch to the bottom of the pan. So now you can see the potato has cooked nicely and the color has changed into golden brown. Now let's add salt, chaat masala, pepper powder and red chilli powder to this. So I've switched off the flame at this stage and then we are going to just mix in all the masalas or the powders into the potato. If you think there's a little more oil left in this, then you can remove this into a paper towel and then mix the spices. Now we'll add in the fried curry leaves and the peanuts to this mixture and then saute it for 2-3 minutes more until the potatoes are nice and crispy. Once this is done, our recipe is ready. You can serve this with some cooked rice, dal, or you can have it as it is like a mixture. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.